What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SimboiiKing here, and welcome to my Kingdom. And today, reaction video. Some different, some like. So there's a YouTuber named Agent Mystery Me. He goes around and creates like fan animations and short films and stuff. I don't know if it's one person or if it's like a team effort, but bro's got some talent. Bro's going crazy. So not too long ago, about 3 days ago, he dropped this video right here. It's been going crazy. I seen clips of it on TikTok. I wanted to react to it, but I was playing Oscar's Wrath and it literally slipped my mind. I know it shows I've watched it, but trust me, I haven't watched it. I literally just skipped forward just to see, to test my audio for the OBS and stuff, some technical stuff, but I didn't watch it. From the clips I've seen on TikTok, the animation already looked clean, and then like Set the Programmer, I don't know if you guys know him, but he's making like a fan animation too of Naruto versus Ichigo. I'm like, everybody dropping fan animations, kids, somebody help me out. To every child who believed that they could train in 100 times the Earth's gravity, and to every artist who taped Dragon Ball Z and paused it to draw their favorite heroes, this is dedicated to you. You already know how we coming today. Hold on, y'all thought I ain't tell y'all? I thought I was slacking today? You know how we coming. Come on, stop playing with me, man. A lifetime of appreciating the craft of manga, animation, and storytelling has led me to making this film. Mr. Toriyama, please accept this as a small token of gratitude and as a grand love letter to the worlds that you've created and shared with all us children of the 90s. The inspiration will forever remain immeasurable. Jeez. You could tell you're a big fan. Nasir Pasha. I ain't mean to crucify your name. Forgive me if I mispronounced it. Hold on. Listen to it. Yeah, King Vegeta. Planet Vegeta. Hold on, Nappa and Raditz? Stop playing. Woo. Voice acting peak.
Stay strong.
Ooh.
Your crown is here.
I like.
And your kingdom awaits your return.
That's Vegeta. I like how he has his own animation style. Like, they don't look exactly like the characters from the show. It's kind of different. That's pretty cool. See, Goku looks a little bit different too. And Chi-Chi in that bit. Hold on. Hey. Woo. I remember Dragon Ball Z, they were fighting. Goku versus Chi-Chi.
Just how stupid can you be?
Have we ever met?
Oh yeah. This was in Z.
If you don't mind, can you just tell me what I forgot so I can remember?
Unbelievable! And did you forget the promise you made me as well?
You were gonna marry me.
You promised to marry me, Goku!
Damn. Goku L dad, bruh. L husband.
Now his life's over.
Is that all you can say for yourself?
Oh, that's Broly? That's definitely Broly. Only, wait. Is that Vegeta? Oh, Goku dead. Chi-Chi blocking hits like that? Hold on. Weave. Oh, he got hit one time. Ooh, it's clean. Destroyed that man's shirt already. That's gotta be Broly. And then Vegeta pulls up. There go Vegeta. Only Vegeta has, only Broly has the green laser beams. That's like Dragon Ball Z, bruh. Everybody was weak back then. It's over 9,000. Hold on. Sign me, bruh. I'm a voice actor. Oh, never mind. It's over 99,000. Damn. Pipe down. There go my dog Vegeta.
Green light, the gold you fashion.
Yep, Broly.
It's not every day that a king leaves his throne. But for you, I make a royal exception.
I wish they would bring back Planet Namek with the Dragon Ball. Like, they could wish it back. Guess they don't want to. Yep. Ooh. Look, everybody just stunned, but they can't do nothing. Broly could one tap everybody there. Everybody there getting one tap, bruh. Bro was a menace.
All my life I've trained for this one moment. For the pride of the Saiyans! For my family. And yes, even you, Kakarot. Saiyan legend, hear me! Today a god falls.
Gold tail?
Bones to dust.
Oh, Super Saiyan. I'm tripping.
Ashes to the wind.
The Dragonball soundtrack in the back? Hold on. That's Super Saiyan Gold. They should have that for him. That'll be clean. Oh. Ooh, that was boxing. Vegeta getting his get back. What is? Hold on, I forgot the saying. What is a king to a god? Oh, hit him with that Mortal Kombat X-ray, man. What is a god to a non-believer? Ooh. Bro, stay on the ground. Don't get up. Don't get up. Stay on the ground. Bro, you gonna kill everybody in the stands. Oh, that boy says psych. I like this. Punched him to base form? Ooh. Punch that man to base form? Vegeta got a sword now, there? Hold on. Call him Afro Samurai. Oh. What? That's clean. That's clean. Goku, get up, man. What you doing? Chi-Chi fighting for him? That's crazy. I gotta let Chi-Chi, you done. Oh. Oh, Goku, you better go stupid, boy. Boy, you better unlock Ultra Instincts or something, bro. You better unlock Ultra Instincts or something, bro. That make no sense. Oh. You was letting Chi-Chi fight for you? She blocked that hit for you. Oh, I'm gonna let Chi-Chi a run one, bro. I need me a Chi-Chi, bro. She a run one. She throwing hands for me, blocking for me. Goku about to go crazy right now. You already see it. Hold on. Omega level threat? That's not even Super Saiyan. That's Super Saiyan Berserk. Calm down. My boy breathing. Ghost Rider? Scorpion? That's you? Oh, that's clean. Savior from heaven? Son Goku. Broly scared. Look at his one arm. Weave. Hold on. Hold on. Flying disc. Hold on. Oh, so that man flying. Get your get back. I like how the colors changing. The colors affect. Hold on. Vegeta came back. They fusing. Oh, double Kamehameha. Broly, you dead, bro. Broly, you can never beat both of them at the same time, but stop. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. What? Send that man to the sun again. Send that man to the sun again. Oh, Chi-Chi, you dead.
It's Chi-Chi, right?
Bro, I didn't remember her name this whole time.
Kakarot, stop calling me that. That name is your birthright. For you, just like I, are the legacy of a proud race of golden warriors. We are the keepers of the primal light. Your light is out of control and must be refined to be useful. Your
Low key,
days
you gotta
of the
control
sun
it, bro.
are numbered, Kakarot. So marry that woman while you still have the chance, and come with me. We have to prepare.
Who coming? Frieza?
War.
Ooh, that was tough. I gotta let that was cold. So I guess they're gonna fight Frieza next. Why did Broly come out of? Where did Broly come from? Is that it? No way, that's it. Now we got like 3 minutes left. Is this just credits? Okay, so this is credits. Shout out to all these people. I ain't trying to skip the credits, but no disrespect, but everyone here, bro, shout out to y'all, bro. Y'all did an amazing job, bro. But we finna go ahead and skip to the good parts. You know what I'm saying? That's what we here for. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, bro. Get my name out your mouth, bro. Bro, in love with Kakarot. He sent that man to the moon. Forget the sun. What? Vegeta, you wrote. He know Vegeta name now too? Boy, you dumb, boy. Ooh, that was cold. Stray Dog Animation Studios. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love the adaptation. Oh.
I am Nasser Basha, and I'm the creator of Legend of Dragonball.
So here he is.
There's a lot I'd like to say, but I'll save most of it for another time. First, I'd like to say thank you to each of you for taking the time to watch this film.
Of course. Thank you for watching also.
My planet needs me.
Hey, I heard what that man said. His planet need him. I'm gonna go join them. Nah, saying thank you guys for watching today's video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Make sure this is let me stop. Like he said, my planet needs me, so I'ma head out. See ya.
Like, subscribe, like, subscribe.